Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to.
So in this video we're just going to see how to center the table properties of all thing. If you want to center these numbers or center your content or the words on the table, you just need to select everything on the table. Then you can see on the top, you can see the alignment here, so you can just click on the center alignment or right alignment or justify option. So just click on the center alignment, automatically it will be align on center. So but I have been changed this and this font size. So this 3 to 9 font are on one size and a 211 is another size. So you can see a difference of gap between the table. So I just want to center it. Everything should be center of the cell. So you just need to click on the right click here. You can see many options, and just click on the table properties. It will automatically pop up on the your right side, and here you just need to open the alignment. Here you can see a cell vertical alignment, so it will be on the top. You just need to click on the middle so you can see the changes. If you want it bottom, you just click, it will goes to the bottom. By this option you can align the everything words or sentence or the value. You can easily align at the center of the table by using this method. Try this, and if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a